wait for the run-out tide to make our way out of Pancake Creek and head north to the busy port of Gladstone.
On the way, I noticed that the starboard engine is starting to run a little hot. Further into the shipping channel, and the rising temperature means we have to shut the starboard engine down.
We make it into the marina just on dark.
Into the engine room the next morning to find the problem. Well, I found out what the problem was with the motor. I put some bars leaks in it, and I did it the wrong way admittedly, but it blocked up the heat exchanger, so what I've had to do is pull the tube nests out, and I'm just flushing them out with water. It's all clogged up with the stuff I put in, so I should have just left them alone. But I had a little leak, put a bit of stuff in to try and address it, and gave myself a bigger problem. But anyway. With the tube nests thoroughly flushed, the heat exchanger is reassembled.
Later that afternoon, we catch the tide and head for Grand Creek.
.76, wrap up 8.84.
Well, it's good to be leaving Gladstone. Been here for a week. Had a problem with the heat exchangers on the boat, and I've been doing a bit of mucking around and had to clean them all out. We're just heading up towards the Narrows now. We're going to spend tonight at Graham Creek, and then we've got to wait until about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon before we head further up.
We spend the next day waiting for the tide.
We up anchor after lunch and head for the cattle crossing. Okay, so we just got back out into deep water. We're through the Narrows, pretty touchy. We're down to about 1.5, I think, at one stage. It's about as shoal as we like going, but we got through all right. And now we've got about another hour's run, and we'll be up at Sea Hill where we're anchor for the night. The wind is up a bit, and we decide to anchor in Mosquito Creek for the night.